Look, you see Casper over here. You are the definition of hopeful there. You could not look more pleading. Oh, Casper. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can you cook Peking crispy dark? So it's crispy aromatic dark in an air fryer. That's what I'm trying, and you're seeing video footage from the future. I do not know how this is going to work out. I've just edited these pictures in, and I'm doing this for the first time. And I have no idea whether this is going to work in this Ninja Foodi Dualzone Air Fryer. The details of the air fryer are down in the description, and I've got this from the supermarket here in the UK. Let's open it up. Obviously, wherever you're watching this around the world is probably different for you, but in this country, the UK, we can buy crispy aromatic duck. This is half a duck. It doesn't look like half a duck, does it? This is a half duck, and it's come pre-packaged. It's not frozen, it's just chilled, and I think it's got some sauce and seasoning on it. In the box, you get some pancakes and some hoisin sauce as well, which is lovely, but it's the duck that we need to work out how to cook. I've said this a few times on my air fryer videos that Ninja say you do not need to preheat the air fryer before cooking, but I think with the duck, I do want the duck to hit the heat as soon as it goes in. By the way, this is a regular feature on the channel called Bung It in the Air Fryer, and I have a whole playlist of food that we have bung in the air fryer. But to preheat, obviously I don't need to bung anything in the air fryer, so I'm going to choose, let's choose roast, and I'll put it on the highest temperature I can, hit start. This is just to warm up the chambers. Oh, better check they're clean. Yep, clean. Oh no, someone's had sneaky croissants in here. Okay, we're gonna have to stop that and preheat the other zone. So I'll hit on to roast temperature, and we'll just give it 5 minutes. While that is warming up, it's time to prepare the veg. We could do this while the duck's cooking, but there's no time like the present. So this is my beautiful, hardworking, unstoppable wife cutting up the cucumber. She's feeling a bit self-conscious about her cutting, but it's way better than my vegetable cutting. We're just going to cut these into strips and arrange them in a nice Asian bowl. And we've managed to find a few spring onions from the bottom, right at the back of the vegetable rack in our fridge. We thought we had 4 spring onions here, but one of them doesn't quite make the grade, so in the bin that goes. And you can't hear this with the air fryer and the music in the background, but the chomping in the background is Casper. He's having his dinner. It's good that he has this now, so he's not begging us when the duck comes out of the air fryer. Sorry, Casper, this isn't for you. And just as self-consciously as the cucumber, because we're not chefs, we're just sharing our cooking times. And you can judge our techniques as much as you like, we don't care. We're the ones that get to eat this. And hopefully this walkthrough is helpful for you if you're planning on some crispy aromatic half duck in the air fryer. I think the basket is nice and hot now, and I have washed my hands, and on the instructions they do say for a regular oven you need to place it skin side up, so I'll try and do that. That's the skin side up, and hopefully it fits. Oh, can you hear the sizzle? Amazing, that's exactly why I wanted to preheat it. And I'm going to put that in here. Let's clear, we want to clear all of this. You're watching this in the future, so I will put on screen now the actual time that worked out for us. But for this experiment, I'm going to put it on roast, and I'm going to dial up 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to try, just to start with, I'm going to try 25 minutes. But I'll put on the screen now the actual time that you'll need to put it on for. It is time to bung it in the air fryer. All we need to do now is to hit the big start stop button, and fingers crossed we'll see how this comes out. Just something else that we can get ready, and that's the sachet of hoisin sauce, the plum sauce. Oh, I need the bowl. It's going to have 25 minutes to get this ready and very elegantly prepare that for the table. More plastic bags. So now we have the sauce and the cucumber and onions ready to put into our pancakes. It's the final countdown now. 3, 2, 1. Let's see how it's looking. Oh my goodness. That is looking absolutely sizzling. Hoping it's coming across on camera. That is looking absolutely perfect. Now I think that's ready to go, but I don't have a heat thermometer, so I'm going to put it in for a few minutes extra just to be sure. But I think that is looking crispy and done to me. Let's just put it in for another 5 minutes just to make it super crispy. It is now 5 minutes later and let's see how it's looking. Oh boy. So putting it on for the extra 5 minutes hasn't completely wrecked it. Let's elegantly put it into the shredding bowl that I've got ready here. I have to do it one-handed because I'm holding the camera. I was always told it's good to let the duck rest for 5 minutes before shredding. So I've given it a few minutes. It's shredding time. I've got my 2 forks. Let me put the camera up here. And then I'll just use the forks to open it up and wow, that's looking absolutely perfect. Look, you see Casper over here. You are the definition of hopeful there. You could not look more pleading. Oh, Casper. Let's get this delicious duck into a pancake. I've waited far too long for this, so I've microwaved the pancakes and I'm just putting on some hoisin sauce ready for the cucumber and the spring onion. I know I'm just doing this in a rush. On goes the duck, and food preparation when I'm actually dying to just get it in my mouth is not my forte. Okay, not the most elegant pancake in the world, but it's just for a quick test. Oh my goodness. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. I hope this helps you cook duck in the air fryer. I need to clear my mouth. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. I hope this helps you to make crispy aromatic duck, Peking duck, half duck in a Ninja air fryer. And thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps us to keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next. I want to eat this.